all, hope you all are fine. So in this video I am going to explain the multiplication of algebraic terms. In my earlier videos also I have gone through such questions, okay. So I will tell you that how we have to multiply two algebraic terms. In order to multiply the algebraic terms, we can apply the identities, algebraic identities also. Okay, sometimes it is applicable and sometimes we have to just normally multiply the terms. Okay, that also I am going to explain in my videos. Okay, so here I have got this question as 2x plus 5. Okay, we have to multiply 2x plus 5 with 2x minus 5. So you can compare these two algebraic expressions with a plus b, a minus b, isn't it? Okay, a plus b, a minus b, where a is your 2x and b is your 5. Okay, so we know that a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Okay, so simply 2x plus 5, 2x minus 5 will give us the square of a, that is 2x square minus square of 5. That will give us 2x square is equal to 4x square minus the square of 5 is 25. So we get the result as 4x square minus 25. So isn't it? It's very easy. So hope you understood it well, and kindly subscribe to the channel if you have not done yet, and don't forget to hit the like button.